Hi dear students, welcome to Geeta's classes. In this class, we are going to see the important property of Laplace transform change of scale property. That is, if L of f of t is equal to f of s. What is the meaning? Actually, we are finding the Laplace transform of f of t. Then, after finding the Laplace transform, it will be changed to the variable s. Okay, so we are converting from t to s. From t domain to s domain, we are changing the variable t to another variable s. And if you make some changes in t, what will be the corresponding changes will happen in the variable s? That's what we are going to find out in this class. So that is called change of scale property. And before that, please memorize these formulas which I have explained in the previous classes. All these theorems are important. With the proofs, they are available in my channel in the previous classes. Okay. So now let us see the change of scale property. If L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then L of f of at. In the place of t, if you change it to at, then what will be the corresponding change in the variable s? That is 1 by a into f bar of s by a. Okay. So first let us prove this. By definition, we want to find out L of f of at. By definition, it is integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of at. The proof is also very simple. Just make the substitution at is equal to u, implies a into dt is equal to du. That is t is equal to u by a and dt is equal to du by a. Okay. When t is equal to 0, u is also 0. When t is equal to infinity, u is also infinity. Okay. So this will be equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus s. T is what? U by a. U by a into f of a by f of at. At is equal to u. So f of u. What is dt? Du by a. Okay. So this 1 by a, this 1 by a is available. It is a constant, so I can take it outside. That is L of f of at is equal to 1 by a into integral 0 to infinity e power minus su by a. So I am going to write it as e power minus of s by a into u into f of u du. This can be written as, because u is a dummy variable, I can write it as e power minus s by a into t into f of t dt. What is this? L of, that is 1 by a into, if L of f e power minus st means L of f of t, that is f bar of s we will write. In the place of s I have s by a, therefore I can write it as f bar of s by a. Okay, if you have e power minus st, f bar of s. Here you have e power minus s by a into t, therefore f bar of s by a. This is what we want to prove. L of f of at is equal to 1 by a into f bar of s by a. Okay. So in the place of here f of at, in the place of at, if you have t by a, okay, a into t, it is multiplied. Here it is divided by a. If it is t by a, then it will be just opposite. Here we have multiplied. So here we have multiplied here at. Therefore 1 by a into f bar of s by a. So here we have divided t by a. Therefore multiply both the sides. A into f bar of as. Okay. Now let us do some problems. Problems using change of scale property. So given that L of f of t, that is f bar of s is given as 1 by s into e power minus 1 by s. Now we have to find out L of e power minus t into f of 3t. So whenever it is multiplied by e power at or e power minus at, you have to remember, you have to recall that you have to use first shifting theorem. So first let us find out L of f of 3t in which s should be replaced by s plus 1. Okay. So now we have to find out L of f of 3t. You know that L of f of t is 1 by s into, that is f bar of s. Now f of 3t. F of 3t is by a change of scale property. This is 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. This is what we have done, right? 1 by a into f bar of s minus a. If a is multiplied, 1 by a into f bar of s by a. So here it is multiplied. In the place of a I have 3. So it is 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. Okay. So what is our f bar of s? Given f bar of s is equal to 1 by s e power minus 1 by s. Therefore, f bar of L of f of 3t is equal to 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. That is 1 by 3 into, in the place of s you have to replace it by s by 3. So 1 by, in the place of s I am going to write it as s by 3 into e power minus 1 by, in the place of s I have to write s by 3. That is 1 by 3 into 3 by s. This 3 will come to the numerator. So 3 will get cancelled. E power minus 1 by s by 3. So again 3 will come to the numerator. It is 3 by s. Okay, this is L of f of 3t. But we want L of e power minus t into f of 3t, which is equal to L of f of 3t in which s should be replaced by s plus 1. Because it is multiplied by e power minus t by using first shifting theorem. S should be replaced by s plus 1. That is equal to 1 by, here we have 1 by s into e power minus 3 by s. So 1 by s plus 1 into e power minus 3 by s plus 1. Okay, this is what we want to prove, right? Prove that e power minus 3 by s plus 1 by s plus 1. That's what we got. Okay. So next problem, if L of f of t is equal to 9s squared minus 12s plus 15 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube, then find L of f of 3t using change of scale property. So given L of f of t, that is f bar of s is given as 9s squared minus 12s plus 15 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. So L of f of 3t is equal to 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. So wherever you have s, you replace it by s by 3, which is equal to 9 into s by 3 the whole square minus 12 into s by 3, of course 1 by 3 into, okay, minus 12 s by 3 plus 15 divided by s by 3 minus 1 the whole cube. So here 3 squared, this 9 will get cancelled. Here 3 and 12 will get cancelled. This will become 4. Therefore, that is equal to L of f of 3t is equal to 1 by 3 into s squared minus 4s, s squared minus 4s plus 15, right? Plus 15 divided by, now I am going to take s minus 1 by 3 the whole cube. I am going to take LCM, s by 3 minus 1, so s minus 1 divided by 3 the whole cube. That is equal to 1 by 3 into, this 3 cube will come here, into s squared minus 4s plus 15 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. Actually, you can stop here itself before this. In this step itself, you can stop, no problem. But sometimes if it is asked, or if it is asked for 5 marks and all, you have to simplify. So 9 into s squared minus 4s plus 15 divided by s minus 1 the whole cube. This is the answer. So please give a like for this class and share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them also. Thank you so much for listening.